In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Edge as a PDF editor. If you've ever needed to quickly annotate a PDF but didn't have any special software, Microsoft Edge can help. It has built-in tools that let you edit and add notes easily. Let's get started. First, open the PDF file you want to edit. Right-click on your PDF, choose Open With, and select Microsoft Edge. If Edge is already your default PDF reader, just double-click the file to open it. Once it opens, you'll see the PDF displayed right inside Microsoft Edge. Now, look at the top toolbar. This is where you'll find the editing tools. You can highlight text, draw on the document, or add text boxes anywhere you want. To highlight, click on the highlight tool and drag over the text you want to emphasize. To draw, select the draw tool and mark up your PDF however you like. Underline, circle, or sketch. To insert text, click Add Text. Then click anywhere on the page to start typing. Once you're done making your changes, click the Save icon at the top. Your edits will be saved directly to the file. It's that simple. Keep in mind, Microsoft Edge is best for annotations and markups. It won't let you change the original text or images inside the PDF. If you need to fully edit a PDF, you can use a dedicated editor or convert the PDF to a Word document first. And that's it. Now you know how to use Microsoft Edge as a PDF editor. It's quick, easy, and perfect for making small notes or highlights on the go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides.